Good afternoon. It's January 2nd, and I wanted to take a look at the trades I took today. And not sure. Oh, okay. So yeah, here yesterday, we were in this spiking channel. We had a break, and then it reversed. And I measured my risk to enter where I guess I would have risked, yeah, 2 points. And I made my target 4 points, which was the new high. You know, when you're able to trade more contracts, you can take your first profit target at two times your risk. And if you're trading more contracts, you can let it run, which is what I would have done. Um, so that was a good, ended up going in my favor. Let's see. I think I came in this morning after this uh, big rally. Then we had a big sell off, and I was thinking about selling up here, and I would have had to risk 4 points. And I was like, I think I would only be comfortable doing that if I went for three times my reward because that's counter trend. And you can see a lot of people were thinking the same way. And that's pretty much exactly where it bounced. I think my entry would have been so about like 91.50, somewhere in here. Really, I mean, it was when this bar closed, this doji. Um, And I think when I saw this bar close, this bear bar, I was like, that's too far away for me. Um, but yeah, it would have been here, so I probably would have taken profits at 80. Yeah, and it went a little further. Whoops. So a little later, uh, let's drag this. So I looked at this as the first break and thought that perhaps we were going to try and make a new high. So I entered above this bull bar, but when we got um, this bear bar. Really, I should have gotten out at about break even on this bull bar, but it looks like I got out uh, right as this bull bar closed. So, I think, yeah, when it goes sideways, try and get out. Um, and then I got long in here, thinking we might reverse. And then this went sideways as well, so I got out at about break even. And you can see eventually, uh, I think I was going for like 4 points again. Actually, I think I was going for five because my entry was so good. And that's another thing I wanted to reflect on was, I was only risking 1 point, I think, 69.50. Yeah, about 1 point. And my target was 74.50, so it would have been hit. Um, and let's say I just trailed it, it would have been like a tick shy of my target. So I'm not really annoyed because it was going sideways and it looks like we're selling off. So Um, I'm not really annoyed that I got out break even, but that's something to think about is if you're only risking 1 point, maybe think about it. But it went sideways, so all right, let me find the rest of the trades. Then I came back, went out with my family for a little bit, came back, and I really shouldn't have been trading because of the environment I was in, but I did, and I got on the wrong side of the market a few times. And you can see, look at all these entries within a short time frame, might I add. So we're going sideways. There's a chance that I was probably looking at these charts too. Going sideways for a while, and we get this lower high here, and I was betting on a breakout. Here, let's see. Oh no, first I went long and got stopped out, and then I, or no, I got out at break even. Then I went short. I reversed, went short below this bar, and took quick 3 point profit. So at this point, I was up $32, and you know, with it on a day where everything looks like this, $32 trading one contract is not, that's not big. But on a day where, it's been like this for 2 hours or whatever it was, completely sideways. Let's draw that here. That's another thing. I should have drawn this stuff. And that helps because look, we break out and then you get a breakout pullback. But anyway, there's an hour and a half of sideways stuff. $32 is a lot of money for, seeing this stuff. So you might want to cap it there or just make sure you're drawing your trend lines. But, I couldn't walk away. Went short up here. We bounced. Got short up here, probably based on a different. Oh yeah, below this bar. Got stopped out. Looks like I went short below this bar. And I probably you're looking for a big move. Yeah, I'm not looking for a scalp. And so, I got out probably like break even or something like that. Uh, yeah, and I keep selling. And then when I finally decided to reverse, I can't find the chart I was looking at. It might have been this one. This is probably it. I was looking at, yeah, this bar right here, this bull doji, and my target. I was able to enter. Where was I able to enter? At 94. So right here, that's a good entry. We had already ticked above this, so all the buy orders above this had been triggered, and I was able to go for 94, 94. So you're risking about 5 points. I was going for 12 points, and it would have hit my target. It would have ticked through my target. Oh, never mind. So I would have gotten a big move out of that, but I hit my loss limit for today. And so, you know, that's something you have to be aware of. And I wasn't. And it was because I wasn't in the right mindset for trading. So, hope everyone had a good day. Here's one last look at the chart. This is the 6,500 tick chart. I'll be back tomorrow.